Dongguan Ocean Controls Limited was founded with decade-years experience in the design and manufacture of electronic room thermostats. We provide OEM, ODM services to worldwide customers, including manufacturing, designing, engineering and tooling. With many years of experience, our products feature unrivaled quality, reliability and durability. Our thermostats are equipped with high accuracy of 0.1, and they are adaptive with various heating and cooling equipment. The products meet CE, RoHS, and FCC approved quality standards. We export our products all over the world, especially to European and American markets. We have a strong R&D team, with more than decade-years experience in the thermostat field. They are seasoned in the design, development and testing of electronic thermostats. Our factory located in Dongguan covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has passed ISO quality management system. And we have 5 sets of fully automatic SMT lines, 7 sets of injection molding machine, and advanced mold equipment. Monthly capacity is more than 100,000 PCS, and this can be expanded according to customer requirement. In addition, we have broad experience in RF remote control products like remote wireless and Wi-Fi thermostats. Based on the above, we can design, develop new models for you, upon your technical specifications or samples. As a company, we strive to excel in the quality of products we sell, the service we provide and the support we give.